Handicap 26 here, just to tips, affairs, and hobbies, and we've got the Roadrunner here. I'm going to put them together. Get some new glue. So I'm going to put a little glue in there. Stand that up. And his face goes like that. And then we've got some eyes here. And let's see how they go. So they go like this. No, they go like this. So let's go with that. Put some glue there. Put his eye in. Some glue here. Put his eye in. And these pieces right here. Those pieces I'm gonna omit. Okay. So okay, so that goes on top here. Goes like that. Trying to figure this out. Keep that like that. It looks like we're missing some pieces. I don't know why. Oh no, these go here. So let's see. This goes on this side. Like this. Like that. So that's his wing right there. Sorry I'm mumbling to myself here. I don't mean to, guys. I'll put the other one on this side. Some glue there. Like that. And we're missing his, looks like we're missing his tail. Does that go in there like that? I would assume that goes in there like that, but I think we're missing his tail, guys. So I'll put this over here. Like that. Put this over here. We're gonna have to go back to the files and look for his tail, because he's got a tail on him, and we got to put his head on now. Wish me luck on this one, because it's a balancing act. Gotta hold it together, guys, like that. till it sets. So we got to look for his tail. So he's done. Just have to get his tail on there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please try to subscribe to give a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000. Without your help, I can't do it. And I need your help to do it, because I want to reach 100,000 subscribers. Have a good day. Bye for now.